precision blending brush. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Show me some support. I would truly appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. So if you saw my last video, you know that I'm filming this right after, like just going right into this. So my last video was me just showing you guys how I've changed my base routine just a little bit. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will leave it in a card or in the description box, but it will be somewhere for you to get to in this video. I might just link it at the end of the screen, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you're interested in finding out how I got my foundation to look like this, go ahead and check out that video. It's my last video. But yeah, as you guys saw by the title, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you guys how I do my false freckles. I started doing this a couple days ago and I've been practicing it and I'm really excited. I finally took some pictures and posted them on Instagram, so if you're interested in seeing those, I will link that. Well, that's always linked in my description, but you guys go ahead and check out my Instagram if you're interested in seeing some of those pictures. I was kind of like feeling myself and having a little fashion show, but yeah, they're also on my Facebook if you want to see more, because I think I only posted 2 on my Instagram and I posted quite a few on Facebook. So I will have both of those links down in the description. But let's get into this. I want to do a funky eye look too. All of this is incorporated in how I do my freckles. So kinda. I thought instead of just doing freckles, I would show you an eye tutorial as well. I don't know what kind of eye look I'm going with. Just something kind of funky but natural, but not too, not too much. So, because the main focus is supposed to be the freckles, not the makeup. So yeah, we've already got my base on because, like I said, I just filmed that video. So we're gonna go right into this. I have not concealed or primed my eyes yet, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer and prep my eyes for fun eyeshadow. I'm going in with some setting powder so that it doesn't get too creased. And I'm gonna put some setting powder under my eyes because I don't know if this palette, I can't remember if this palette has a lot of fallout or not. And I really don't want to mess up my foundation. So I'm going in with this Ace Butte Grandiose palette. This came in my BoxyCharm from November, I believe. This was the Gold Digger theme that they had. So if you have not seen that video, I will also link that somewhere for you guys to be able to get to it. But here are these beautiful colors. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't want it to be a loud look. So I don't know. We're just gonna play around. I'm gonna go in with this color first. I'm just using this blending brush from e.l.f., taking that into the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with Clove right here, this peachy color. I wish this palette had a mirror. Next, I'm going to go in with Poppy. I was thinking about Rose, but Rose looks a little foiled, so, and I'm not ready for the shimmer right now, so I'm going to go in with Poppy, and I'm going to use my Morphe 139 brush to do this. Blend this in. Yeah, there's a lot of kickback and fallout in this. And I'm just really focusing on the outer corner with this. I'm going to go in with Cinnamon using this detailed crease brush. I'm taking it from the inner corner and bringing it all the way across. I'm taking this Luxie 243 brush, precision blending brush, and I'm going to go into Primrose, and I'm bringing that into the inner corner and across the lid just to give some shimmer. I like this. It's very different. I like it. Next, I'm going in with this Morphe 149 brush, and I'm just going to go into Jasmine and bring that into the inner corners. And take that under my brow bone as well. Something I don't think people ever explain with the brow bone, you want to make sure that you blend it completely. And I understand I have not done my brows yet, but that's okay. That's just me. But you just want to make sure that you're blending it. You don't want a harsh line right there. So I bring it like pretty much all the way across, because I don't like that it feels like there's a harsh line. So there's that. Next, I'm just gonna go in with a black liner. This is the Epic ink liner from NYX, and I'm just gonna line my eyes, and I'm kind of gonna follow this red color. So my eyeliner is never the same on each side. It sucks, but it's okay. It is a-okay. So now I'm going to take this powder brush and just kind of brush this all away. I'm going to go in with this purple. I'm just going to do something a little funky and different, because I know I said I was going to do subtle, and this is not subtle at all. This is like, hello, Clarice. What movie is that? I've never seen the movie that line is in. So if somebody could tell me what movie that is, I'd greatly appreciate it. This is going to go in my waterline. I feel like that's pretty funky and different from anything that I've ever done. Just a pop of different color. I like it. I know it's weird, but I like it. It's really weird, but I really like it. Next, I'm going in with my mascara and my lashes, and I will do that off camera, and I will be right back. So these are my eyes. I probably should have done my eyebrows too. There we go. So that was just a small little eye tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I don't know. I love it. I think it makes me look really different, which is what I was going for, because, you know, with the freckles, I don't want to kind of look the same. I kind of want to look different. So with my freckles, I like to do everything first. I like to do my highlighter and everything first. My freckles I do last. So we're going to do highlighter, a little bit of blush, and then we'll get these freckles on. I'm going in with this Family Dollar $8 product. I love this highlighter. It is like the best highlighter that I've ever used. If you have not used this highlighter, if you've not seen my review to this highlighter, please go check it out. Please go get the highlighter. It's amazing. So going in with my fan brush, I'm just gonna give this a little spritzy woodsy. So what I do when I say when I'm giving it a spritz, I spray once or twice, and then I just fan my brush through it, either with the product on it or off. It doesn't matter. I'm going into golden today, so this color right here. I am just kidding. So for my blush, I'm going to use this rose color in this eyeshadow palette, because I think it'll be really cute. And I'm going into my contour, starting from back here and just patting it on. And I'm going kind of into my contour with this. So it's like, hello, just a touch on my nose. I feel like when I put blush on my nose, it makes me look a little younger, like it takes off a couple years. I don't know why, but I just feel like it does. And I want to touch my cheeks, just touch them, so that it gives that frost look. I don't know, you know? I don't know. When you're rosy and you blushy like that, I feel like it makes you look younger. It's like an innocent thing, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So, there we are with blush. Next, we're going in with highlighter. Oh my gosh, that could have been so bad. That could have been terrible. So now we're going in with highlighter. It's just a nice little highlight. I like this color because it's not gold and it's not pink. It's like just a glow. It's just a glow, which is what I was going for. Just a glow. Just trying to glow out here, you know? Just trying to glow up, you know? Not grow up, glow up. You feel the deal me? You feel the deal me? I don't know what's going on with me today. I think these eyes have got me in a different state of mind. Like, what up, homie? On to what we've been waiting for. Freckles. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, there are a few different ways that you could do this. First, I'm going to tell you what products I'm using. I'm using Fenty's My Espresso for this because I see that sometimes like people with like my skin tone or darker like to use black for their freckles, and it looks good. It looks nice. I mean, you know they're fake, so it doesn't matter. But I just feel like when you use like your contour color, it makes it look a little more natural because nobody's freckles are black, I don't think. I don't believe. I don't think I've ever seen black freckles. So I feel like freckles are like your contour color. So that's why I'm going in with this instead of a black. Like when I used to like try it, I used to use black eyeliner or really dark eyeliner or something. But I feel like your contour color is the best color to go with just because it looks a little more natural because your freckles are just a darker part of your skin. I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe that freckles are just like a hyperpigmentation on your skin in little dots. I believe that's what it is. And your hyperpigmentation would never show up black. So that's just what I believe. So yeah, we're gonna go in with this, and I have a angled eyeliner brush. I know that sometimes some people like to do two different sizes, so another one that you could use is just a regular eyeliner brush, like from a gel pack or something. This is from e.l.f. This is a small precision brush, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. Or you could go in with a brown eyeliner. Now, I could do that, but I just like the precision of a brush, and I'm just going to be using the one angled brush today. So it's really easy, really simple. I just swirl this on. I would like to make sure that my brush, excuse me, has enough products that it's not like stippled out. Because I don't know if you noticed before I did this, it looked really stipply. And we don't want that. We want it to be kind of pointed. So we've got it kind of pointed as much as I think we can. And I just start putting dots on my nose, on my face. I like to go on my cheeks and up and like down to my lip. So yeah, I don't like to have them just in one spot. I like them to look like they're gathering into the middle of my face, if that makes sense. Now, if you can see, with this color, it looks, and that's why I put all my makeup on first. It looks like I put makeup on over them and kind of used a sheer makeup foundation and products and stuff instead of going so heavy with it. I feel like the freckles make it kind of toned down a little bit, if that makes any sense. And that is it for our freckles. I like to do all over because I like it to look natural. I like it to look like I am a freckle face. And I don't know if that's offensive or not. I apologize. But yeah, this is how I do it. I think it's super cute. I love it. I love that it kind of like toned down my makeup and it makes me look like I have actual freckles, and it looks like I didn't put on a ton of makeup. Like, it completely toned down the look. So this is where we are with that. I probably went a little overboard with them today, but I like it. I feel like I look like a nerd. Like, I love it. So I just put on chapstick and left the lips nude, like actually nude. But yeah, that is how I do my false freckles. I hope you guys like this look that I put together for you guys. I had a lot of fun with this. Like, I did. I didn't know what I was going for with my eyes, and they turned out really, really pretty, in my opinion. I like them. I think this whole look with the freckles makes it look really natural. Like, it toned everything down and it made everything look really natural. I just look like a different person, which is okay. I'm thinking about doing like a transformation video, like not like transforming like glam up type thing, but I mean like transforming myself into looking like a different person with just makeup and like probably eye contacts and stuff like that, color contacts, stuff like that. Probably lighten up my eyes a bit. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. I love these freckles. I think they're really cute. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.